Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Sasaruddin Maheja. I'm from class 1901B. I will explain my opinion about smoking on area campus. Smoking on the campus continues to be a topic of debate. On one hand, smoking is a personal right. Every individual has the freedom to discuss what they do with their own body. However, on the other hand, a campus is a public space, a place of learning, developing character, and building intellectual quality. When smoking is done in the area campus, the impact is not only experienced by the smoker, but also by the people around them. First, let us talk from a healthy perspective. We all know smoking has harmful effects, not only for active smoker, but also for passive smoker. The smoker inhaled by those nearby contain dangerous substances such as nicotine, char, carbon monoxide, and various carcinogens. People who do not smoke but are exposed to cigarettes. Smoke on the campus face similar healthy risks even though they never choose to smoke. A campus should be safe environment, a place where students can study, interact, and move comfortable without worrying about exposure to toxic smoke. Second, from an environmental and cleanliness standpoint, cigarette butts are often on the most common type. Rarely found on the campus, on the sidewalk, in the garden, on the beach, and even in drain. Cigarette butts are now easily biodegradable and contaminate soil and water. Additionally, the lingering smell of smoke open or closet area cigarette smoke of many. A campus with a should reflect in the clean and a healthy education environmental can be productive and poorly maintaining after cigarette wasted or waste often not properly managed. From a social and a cultural viewpoint, a campus is a place of character formation. It is where a student develop into responsible individual who will later contribute to society. Smoke habit on the campus can normalize unhealthy behavior, especially among a new student who are still forming their identity. Some students may start smoking due to peer influence, social environment, or simply to affirm nature. A campus should be serve a role model of positive behavior, not a place that encourages unhealthy habit. However, we must also approach this issue wisely. Not all smokers intend to harm others. Many smokers, due to stress, long distancing habit, or social reason, therefore total probability without offering solution may create social tension. A more balanced approach would be implementing decent smoking area, spread from many campus activity in a way smoke and continue their habit without disturbing or harming others. Additionally, campus can provide ongoing education regarding the dangers of smoking through seminar, poster, or counseling service for those who want to quit. Persuasive approach often work more effectively than strict punishment of bans. In conclusion, smoking on the campus is not merely a question of the whether should be or banned. It is a matter of everyone's responsibility and mutual respect. When someone smoking in the space where they should be not, they are not only harming themselves but also others who did not just be in the situation. Therefore, the most appropriate attitude mutual respect. Smokers should be respect the environment and the people around them, and the campus should be provide clear rules and distance space so that everyone can consist. campus is where we learn to become better human beings. So let us create a campus environment that is healthy, clean, and comfortable for everyone.
Hello, let me introducing myself. My name is Rata Maheja. I'm from class 91B. I will explain about simple present. Simple present. How communicate the start during an activity written and spoke English. What is simple present? Describe a habitual action, general truth, and permanent state by using from of the verb with a n S or ES, that of third person single subject, he, she, it. Function, to expert habit or routines. Example, I wake up at 9 o'clock a.m. every morning. Yang two, general truth statements that are always true. Example, the earth revolves around the sun. Three, to express his schedule even. Example, the bus leaves at 7 p.m. Simple past. Simple past tense is used to explain something that occurred in the past but has not continued into the present. It, uh, it is formed most commonly by adding "ate" at the end of the main verb. Turn to turned, close to closed, share to shared. In special case, the simple link of the main verb is changed. Eat jadi ate, sleep to sleep, turn turned. Sentence pattern positive. Subject plus verb 1 s or es plus object. Example: she plays good guitar. Sentence pattern negative. Subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1. Example: he does not eat a meat. Use of the simple past. Example: my grandfather repaired his favorite vintage TV model. 2. She was excited to receive a phone call from her friend. 3. If he took better care of himself, he wouldn't fall sick of easily. Explanation yang for one. Describe a complete event or action in the past. 2. Describe a state of the conditional that excited in the past. And 3. Describe in imaginary conditioning in the past. Sentence pattern integrative. Do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example: do you like a coffee? Subject verb argument. Argument. I, you, we, they. Verb 1. He, she, it. Verb plus ses. Example: the cat sit on the mat. Exception: 8s. To, do, does, wash, washes, change, ye to is. Example: study, studies, cry, cries. 8s. Example: play, plays, say, says. Adverb of frequency describe how often an action or event occurs, such as always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. Example with adverbs. 1. Always. She always drink coffee in the morning. Usually. They usually go to gym on weekdays. 3. Often. He often watches movie online. Time expression. A time expression is a word or part that influence when action happen or will happen, helping to adequately and precise to sentence. Uh, One point in time. Now, he is working right now. Specific. Time. The party will start at 7. Duration of the time. For a duration, I have studies for 2 hours. Into a period in the past. She has been ill for a few days. 3. A specific period. The show will be on the for a week. Frequency. 1. Daily Sarah wake up and early day. Positive sentence practice. This slide helps students practice forming positive sentence in the simple present tense. It's remind them of the basic sentence structure and positive example and short exercise. For example, he drinks coffee every afternoon. Negative sentence practice. Negative sentence practice involves experience that reinforce the use of negative form like not, no, and never to express negative falsehood or abyss. Example negative sentence practice. I do not done like a coffee. She doesn't eat rice. They do not watch a TV at night. Fact and general truth. Use a simple present to specify and universal truth. Example 1. The Earth orbits in the Sun. Water boiling at 100 Celsius. 3. Cats like a milk. Common mistake. Mistake include confusion of homophones like there, and they. Incorrect verb tense in the subject verb argument. Example common mistake. She goes to school every day. 2. Eat as from he, she, it. 2. They play football. 2. Don't add as from they. He doesn't like milk. To use doesn't with he, she, it. Summary. A summary is a short statement that summarizes of in from the audience of my idea of a longer piece of work. Uh, I use it to talk about habit, recognition, and general truth. Subject plus verb 1, S plus object 2 for positive sentence. For example, I go to school every day. And 2, she doesn't eat rice. Uh, Thank you.